In the quiet mountain town of Bristlefern, the early autumn fog rolls in like a soft blanket every morning, carrying the smell of pine and old chimneys. Ethan arrives just as the town prepares for its annual Lantern Walk, a festival of light that guides hikers safely down the mountain trails at night. He meets Leora, a young clockmaker who has been struggling for weeks to repair the town's ancient ceremonial lantern before the festival begins. The two of them are brought together by timing, luck, and the faint glow of a lantern that refuses to shine.